The video you're about to see is not sponsored or supported by Zero Water in any way. This is an absolutely 100% true and unbiased test. The results are just unbelievable. So a couple of weeks ago, I posted a video about a membrane solutions water filter that failed the red dye test. They emailed me back and said, our filter isn't designed to do that. I'm like, well, the red dye test is kind of standard. So I decided to try it on the Zero Water filter, and the results are absolutely amazing. I went from 550 TDS to 0. And when you watch this, you'll see there is not a speck of red food coloring in the outputted water at all. Absolutely amazing, completely unbiased, not sponsored at all. Check this out.
This is for my friend Brian. Let's do the red dye test on a Zero Water filter. 0, 0, 0, 0. I don't know if that was too much or not enough. $5.52. Let's see what happens when it comes out. .00 from 550, and not even a hint of red. This is not sponsored at all, but I'm convinced that this thing is awesome.